morning. I want to ask, is the chicken halal here?
Yes.
Okay. Give me C4.
For 10 minutes, sir.
It's okay, no problem.
For dining for later.
Dine in. And
Classic sandwich po.
I would like to have a drink, the strawberry cheesecake. How much I need to pay extra for that? Okay.
Sir, what's your drink for the C4?
C4, can I change my drink to strawberry cheesecake?
No, sir.
No? Okay, what drink available?
Coke Zero Sprite.
Can I have the peach tea? Oh, yeah.
Anything else, sir?
No, that's all.
260 pesos.
Thank you very much.
Change, sir, for
Thank you very much. नाज़रीन बर्गर ठीक है, कुछ ख़ास नहीं है। 260 मेरे पैसों लगे हैं। 260 का आप कर लें लगभग 1400 नहीं 1000 तकरीबन आप कर लें 1200-1300 मेरे लगे हैं। 1200-1300 का ये सेट आया है। 55 रुपये में ठीक है, कुछ ख़ास नहीं है। ये कहूँगा ओके मीडियोकर है।